Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to Dog and Posh, the place of home fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, you won't find him moving houses anytime soon. And you certainly won't find him moving jobs. It's world famous, more stable than the economy, Alan Partridge.
You bet you're right, more stable than the economy. It's my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
Even about,
I'm a little bit confused, I don't know about you.
I'm confused every day, mate.
This almost reminds me of those days when you could go for a drink, but you couldn't go for a drink inside, you had to go outside inside.
Inside. Can you remember the days of outside
And you were
inside?
kind of
Or
chucking
inside
them
outside?
about.
No, it was inside and outside, wasn't it?
Yeah, and then if you wanted to wee, you could go inside, and then go back outside inside.
The back outside to inside outside.
Yeah.
Yes, those are the days, weren't they?
Yeah, it's almost like number 10, isn't it?
We're already talking gibberish and we've not even started. I do believe we're here to try some beer.
Yes, economy aside, we are here to talk about beers. Of course, if you are new to home brewing and thinking about getting your own brewing, because the economy is a bit of a turmoil at the minute, don't forget, home brewing is a cheap method of
cheaper
brewing
option.
beer.
Obviously, the more you get into it, the more kit you want to buy gets there, but it's still a good.
Yeah, the kits, the starting kit's a little bit more expensive. Once you get started, you can brew a good quality beer for about 86p a pint.
Even the extract kits, you don't need a huge amount of kits, do you? When you some of your starter kits, straight in there, away you go. Right, Ebro, where are we starting tonight?
We're going to start with an extract kit. We're going to go to Mangrove Jacks to start with.
Oh, I don't even have to move tonight. I've got it all set up for me. Red IPA Mangrove Jacks Craft Series.
That's it.
Comes in one of these pouches. We've seen them all before if you've watched our videos. Yeah, toasty note, smooth malt body with complex fruit flavours and a pleasant hop, finished with a dry, satisfying bitterness. We've got mosaic, citra, and notes on Sauvignon in there.
Have we really?
Yes.
It should be quite good.
5.3. You know what? That sounds
It
tipped
sounds,
up, that, doesn't it?
sounds like a bit like the Evil Twin, kind of citra mosaic in there. I'm quite looking forward to this. Ooh.
Well, it's what it says. It's red,
It's red.
slightly misty.
Getting a good malty nose.
Certainly got a lot of malt on it now.
Not getting a lot of those hops
Getting a lot of those hops coming through, yeah.
These are great. These pouch kits though.
A bit more once you swirled it.
You get your hops in there to dry up. Just add boiling water to dissolve your malt extract, and away you go.
Tell you what, once you give it a good swirl, it smells quite inviting, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? Yes. Now I'm getting those.
There is the malt there, but you are starting to get some of those hops coming through. Oh, I'm going in. Cheers, bro. Ooh, cheeky.
That's not bad actually. It's not quite as hoppy as I'd like.
Yeah, but it's not that sort of style of beer. I suppose it should be because it's an IPA, but it's a red IPA, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm not sure if there's enough hops in there to cut through the malt and stuff.
It's not punchy. It's quite sweet because the malt's sending it quite sweet, aren't they? It's nice. It's cracking beer.
I'm not on a 10 out of 10 for sure.
I'm certainly not an 10 out of 10. It's a nice, easy drinking beer. Mind you, at 5 point, what's it, 3 or 4? Won't have too many.
Don't forget, you only got to get to that strength by adding an enhancer. If you just do that kit without the enhancer or the extra malt extract, you're probably going to be around about 4.
And did you do it with an enhancer?
Do you know what? I can't remember, it's on there. But more than likely I did, yes.
We're going to have to dive in. What sort of mark are you going to give that?
8.5.
Yeah, I'm about on there with that one, brother.
It's a little bit, almost can tell that's a kit.
Yeah, yes. It's got, some kits are brilliant, but some kits have that little edge of a kit taste to them, don't
I
they?
wouldn't say no root twang, but I would say more of a malty. And I know it's supposed to be malty, but a little bit too artificially malty.
Almost sugary on the back of the
that's
back of the neck, back on the tongue, sort of thing.
Yeah.
And if you started off the evening with that, you'd soon want to move on to something else.
Yeah, I'm getting that way already. Now I'm drinking my half pint.
Right, yeah. In that case, we'll move swiftly on.
Right, we're going to go across now to those guys that love brewing.
Oh yes, got me paid for work here. So here's the package. This is a Beerworks Craft Brewery Series Cornish Lifesavers 5.4, and it comes in a box like that. With it coming in a box like that, right? You can see it on the camera. I'm presuming it's a malt extract kit. Oh, it just says
it's a malt extract kit, but you do get everything in here. This does come with 4.2 kilograms of malt extract.
Oh, well.
That means you get one big bag, I think, of 3 kilograms, and then another little 1.2 grams of
That's not bad because it's $24.95, which is not a bad price.
Yeah. That's to push that ABV up, of course.
And do you need an enhancer with this or not? So it's all in there.
It's all malt extract. You get dry hops. Now the only thing that's bugging me with these new kits is this is a new kit. He's bought these new kits out. I think there's about 4 or 5 in the range.
Okay.
They all come with what more or less the same malt extract in, and you just add various different hops. It's almost like a lazy option of making beer.
Okay. Well, you need to add some of those because the notes say orange, herbal, and pear overtones. So you need to punch them through if you're going to get a bit of a taste.
Orange what?
Orange, herbal, and pear overtones.
I think there's minstrel hops in it as well. Yeah.
What was that? Yeah, using the newly grown British minstrel hop.
British
minstrel hop. This wonderful IPA has orange, herbal, and pear overtones. 5.4. Yeah, there you go. It's all there. Right, yeah.
Yeah. Right then. That's it's a bit cloudy.
A bit hazy again.
I've only just put it on though, so it might be just pulling through still.
Ooh. I do you know what? I'm getting that orange.
Yeah, I'm getting kind of a weird orange though.
Orange and herbs, apparently.
I don't know about the herbs. Yeah, I suppose it could be orange and herb.
Right, I'm going in. That's
Really?
That's an interesting smell. Oh,
I don't like that.
I don't mind it. It's a bit marmalade-y.
It's like drinking fancy marmalade.
It is. I mean, it's certainly got the orange. It certainly does what it says on the packaging.
I don't like marmalade. Not even on my toast.
I do like marmalade, and it certainly has got full orange flavour in that.
In fact, because it's also fairly malty, you can shut your eyes and just imagine you're having marmalade on toast.
I'll tell you what, that taste is bang on. It is marmalade on toast.
In a glass?
In a glass.
I want the chuff.
So if you want alcoholic marmalade on toast in a glass, this is the kit for you.
Why would you?
Really? I quite like it. It's got a very bitter finish to the end, as marmalade has. It's got the orange in it. It's fruit. I think my heart mark's going to be a lot higher than his. I quite like it.
All right. Guess what?
It's nowhere near a 10.
No, it's nowhere near a 10.
And I'm drinking all of it myself.
When we're here on D&P on a Friday night watching rugby, guess what you're doing?
Drinking this.
You won't, did you?
I actually prefer it. No, I don't. Actually, I do prefer that red, actually, no.
Make your mind up, come on.
It's about a 7 or a 7.5. Maybe an 8.
I'm 7. Even 6.
Oh no, I'm not going to go that way.
Even I don't think I'm going to drink this unless you do.
Shocking, bro.
I can't see me doing that tall, I'm so honest.
I think a pint of it might taste winding through, it has to be said. But I don't mind it.
We'll be back very soon because I can see most of these beers going southwards. Kind of thing.
Right, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think. Well, you never know. Might get one a nice beer, but we're not going to get 10 out of 10 tonight, are we? Oh, right then. Last beer then, bro.
Yeah, let's go something completely different, please.
Something completely different. No, for something completely different. Daft Brewing, the Malt Miller Oatmeal Stout. Well, you can't get much more different, can you?
No.
Look at that.
We've gone from marmalade on toast
to Oatmeal Stout. A refreshing, easy drinking stout, which isn't as dry as an Irish stout, or as roasty and robust as a foreign or imperial stout. So it's kind of aiming itself somewhere in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I take it this is a full grain kit, isn't it, Brian?
Yeah. As a lady makes this kit. I can't remember if it's Sarah Hughes or somebody. It's a Sarah anyway.
Okay. I can't quite see because it's printed off the bottom of that sheet.
Okay. Yes.
Oh yeah, of course, the recipe that Sarah came up with was for stout. Smooth and light and creamy and oatmeal with hints of light roasted coffee, blah, 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 blah. Tells you ingredients, method. It's 4.8, so it's not too bad. There you go.
There you go.
£23 as well, so not very expensive either.
That's because it's full grain. So full grain tends now to be a bit cheaper than malt extract, obviously with rising costs and such like everything.
Right then.
Right then.
Right then. Oh, a subtle nose.
I don't know.
But it has got that roast to it, certainly, hasn't it?
I think you've got to give it a good shake. And then you get that roastness and you get a slight chocolate coffee notes on the back of the...
Oh, you do? Yes, you do. Yeah, now you've said that. Definitely the chocolatey. More roast than anything else.
And if you hold it up to the light, you kind of get a nice dark colour with a red hint like you would do
Just a little bit, just a tiny little bit.
Like you would do with the Guinness or something like that. Yeah.
Right.
Right.
We're diving in.
Yeah, indeed, sir.
Cheers. Not keen. See, this is where we disagree about beers quite often.
I love this compared to the other two. Is it my favourite stout? No.
I'm going in for another taste.
After those two,
give it a moment. I'm going to give it another whirl because the first one, it's a bit meh for me.
I'm not getting a lot of oatmeal, if I'm honest. No?
No. It's a bit meh to me. And if you can put that into words, it's not enough.
Oh, it's meant to be easy drinking. She said it's not.
I know,
It's not. It's not.
I know, but I'm not getting a lot of hit of anything from it.
I am not getting a lot of anything, but I am getting quite a bit of a slight coffee and slight chocolate. But I'm not getting no oatmeal.
No, I'm not getting no oatmeal. To me, it's not smooth enough either. It's quite sharp stout.
It's quite sharp stout. Unless I've done something wrong with in my brewing.
Yeah.
Obviously, full grain, you can do a little bit of things wrong. You can get a bit of oxidisation going. My mate is doing this. It'd be nice to compare
how his comes out to yours.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm going to be honest. I'm not keen. I prefer the marmalade to the oatmeal.
To the piece of misery with you, sir.
I'm going to mark that lower. That's a 6 for me.
That's nowhere near 6. It is a good beer. It's not my favourite stout in the world. I can taste the coffee. I can taste the chocolate.
No.
I'm not big power. I can't taste that oatmeal until I think about it. It's in 9 out of 10 for me.
No, it's all right. In fact, I'm going to put this over here and I'm going back to my orange.
You know, I said my bro was more stable in the economy. Well, now I think he's crashing with the economy.
I'm going out on a bit of a roller coaster.
You're going a bit of a roller coaster, aren't you? I lost your way. A bit like a Tory party.
Thought we weren't going there. I'm going back to my orange.
All right. Shall we tell viewers what we've got coming next time, bro?
Oh, marmalade on taste, lovely. Brew Day, Lenton Lane, Chocolate Mile.
Yeah, we're going into that dark season, so now we've got some nice chocolate margarine.
Well, you say that, but the next one is Worcestershire Hop Shop Elvis Juice.
It was nice dark red, isn't it?
Is it though?
It's red.
Is it? My memory of Elvis Juice is like a real punchy sort of...
It is a punchy red.
Is it really?
It should probably be more like that, should be, because in Elvis Juice it's a red with lots of citrus.
Yeah, bang it out, it punches it in your face, doesn't it? Yeah.
It's supposed to be like, what's it called? Pink grapefruit kind of flavour.
Yeah, a lot of that going on in that. Yeah. So that's Worcestershire Hop Shop Elvis Juice. And then Burton Bridge, a strong bitter.
Now that's a 1 tin kit from Burton Bridge. I thought I'd just give it a go, see what it's like. See what it turns out like. Just like, sometimes get these kits in just to fill, the gap in, etc.
Right.
I know we've done the Elvis Juice in the past before. Like I say, it's one of my favourites. Just like to return to
I
it.
like it as well. Yeah.
See if it's still as good as what it was.
And we'll let you know. Is that a full grain, the Elvis Juice? Or
yes, it is. Yeah. We've had it from various different places. We've had it from Burnley Brew, Worcester Hop Shop. I'm not sure if I've had it from somewhere else as well. But Worcester Hop Shop, you can get it there. It's quite a good kit, quite a good price. And I thought I'd try it again.
Excellent. Well, there you go. I think that's about it for tonight, bro. Hello, we've got a moth. Hey. Anyway.
I might have flown out of Richie's shoe next wallet.
I think it's more flying out of yours. Anyway, if you're watching us on any other platform, get on over to YouTube, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and make a comment.
Yeah, we're very grateful for those comments. I did try to reply where I can. We are trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. So you know anybody?
Yeah, just there, are we?
Just there. You know anybody that hasn't watched us before? Probably not into homebrew, just wants a bit of light entertainment. Please tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe. There you go. I think that's about it, bro.
That's about it, bro. Until next time, it's goodbye from him.
It's goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
To the king!
To the king. Lovely. Marmalade on toast.